If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another exciting update. There's a lot to run through in today's update. Let's start off on Twitter. If you want to follow along with me and follow me there, use the links down below, click the Twitter link, and it'll take you to the website. And we are showing you this today because obviously it'd be nice for you to follow me there as well for more content. But this is where I'm posting updates as well. So for example, Kaspa over here was starting to form a little EMA repel, which I made a video on. It's just if there's content to provide beyond the video, it will be over here. So we saw this potential EMA repel. That's what we were calling for last week in the video updates. And this small double bottom broke out and reclaimed the moving averages, essentially stopping a bearish cross from happening, signaling for continuation lower. And then in my most recent Kaspa update, we saw that double bottom breakout, and then an update before this Kaspa one, I was suggesting that we'd come back down into this blue boxed area over here for support and then look for moves up like this. This was the update where I was saying, oh yeah, amazing that it's now following it. And then we drew out further path, which was run into this key area of resistance, a potential even bigger double bottom neckline, and then fall back to this previous double bottom neckline for support. And now if we take a look at Kaspa, this is exactly what happened move for move. So not only did we break out of this double bottom and you have an opportunity to take this target, which was a 10% move, almost a 10% move without any leverage. So imagine if you're doing 10x on that. And so if we now get the measuring tool again, we can see that we also came up to the potential other double bottom neckline over here, and we got a rejection and we fell straight back down to the neckline of this double bottom. So after meeting the technical target now over the past day, we just essentially need to stay above this key level of support for continuation higher, because by breaking through this, we need to go ahead and meet target. Amazing in doing so, but then you're coming up into a new neckline of a new double bottom over here, and we need to further break that. And we've seen the breakout today, but as we came up into the 786 fib, which was the highest body candle close, remember we spoke about this previously in the last few weeks, how we would really truly like a closes beyond this point, simply because it's the highest body candle close, and by breaking through this, we're going to signal a pump towards this location. So it's the 786 fib that once broken needs to be held as support for continuation higher beyond this point, 15 cent. And then that's how we could get to our next targets, which is 17.5, 20, and eventually a 25 cent technical target up in the future. And we're doing all the very first early developmental stages of that, which is breaking through the golden pocket. So seeing the breakout of the double bottom, getting up to the technical target. Now that we are above the golden pocket, we've allowed the moving averages to drag up as well as the time has gone by, and every 4 hours these do actually move. And so now that we have the 20 on the 6 Fibonacci targets and the 0.5 nicely in line with the 55 moving averages, created this area of support that we know we need to hold going forward. It's also the golden pocket, which we broke through and now have created the reversal wave. So if we can continue to hold the moving average and the golden pocket here, then we will continue to these technical targets of 17.5 to 18 cents. But over here, our final technical target, 23.5, and that's very close to that previous all-time high of the final technical target of 27 cents. My apologies, not all-time high. We're way beyond that. But yeah, very exciting times ahead as long as these key levels of support can continue to maintain now that we've broken through and met the target out of this small double bottom. We've now got this new double bottom neckline over here. So I will now get you the new technical target. Make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment, share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year. That would be absolutely lovely. So we've also gotten some further confidence with the 17.5 cent area, which we previously mentioned earlier in this update as it's a technical target out of a fib. But now we've got a bullish pattern, and yes, we need to break the neckline. We've done so today, but we've fallen back underneath it. I would personally say that is totally fine. Main reason being is I've explained the reason why we need to come back down below that point into this blue boxed area, because it's the golden pocket and as well as the moving averages sitting there. And as long as those are being held as support, then we're looking for eventual continuation higher. So yes, we broke out and validated and then invalidated the pattern, but as we're just coming for a bullish retest of such key levels of support, we need to hold this level in order to break out again and see all of these targets becoming valid. So let me know in the comment section below if you do believe that this will break out. At all costs, we need to hold that previous golden pocket, which we called all of these moves from. So yeah, and as long as we're doing so, that's the price of about 12 cents. And then we should eventually break higher. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you want to get educated so you can predict all of these moves just like me, use the links down below to get educated. Cheers, everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website, you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.